Hi. Welcome to Easy English. Let's learn. Speak loudly, again and again. A girl.
Hi. Hi. I am Julie. I am a girl. I am Julie. I am a girl.
A boy.
Hi. I am Alex. I am a boy. I am Alex. I am a boy.
A woman.
Hi. I am Maria. I am a woman. I am Maria. I am a woman.
A man.
Hi. I am James. I am a man. I am James. I am a man.
I am Julie. I am a girl. You are Alex. You are a boy. You are my brother. You are Alex. You are my brother. You are Maria. You are a woman. You are my mother. You are Maria. You are my mother. You are James. You are a man. You are my father. You are James. You are my father. You are Elizabeth. You are a woman. You are my grandmother. You are Elizabeth. You are my grandmother. You are David. You are a man. You are my grandfather. You are David. You are my grandfather. You are Anna. You are a woman. You are my aunt. You are Anna. You are my aunt. You are Robert. You are a man. You are my uncle. You are Robert. You are my uncle. You. You are. You are Jennifer. You are a girl. You are my cousin. You are Jennifer. You are my cousin. You. You are. You are Tom. You are a boy. You are my cousin. You are Tom. You are my cousin. You. You are. You are Emma. You are a girl. You are my friend. You are Emma. You are my friend. You. You are. You are Harry. You are a boy. You are my friend. You are Harry. You are my friend. You. You are. You are Molly. You are a cat. You are an animal. You are Molly. You are an animal. You. You are. You are Jack. You are a dog. You are an animal. You are Jack. You are an animal.
Let's learn. Easy English. Like, share, subscribe. Follow us. Thanks for watching.